Oh, look, there's a sombrero. That's going on my head. You know that's going on my head. Right, hold on. Right, you ready? Right, wait a minute. You ready for this? Content. How you doing, my friends? Smash the like button and all that, eh? Right, there you go, my friends. Proof that I am not a thief. Be well. What is that? What's going on? This is a place for James Bond or John Wick. And what am I? I am not either of those. I am wearing an Adidas tracky tap. So I don't know if I'm going to get allowed in here. You know, the hesitation and the fear, do you feel that? There's the hesitation and the fear always comes in as you walk on forwards, my friends, through wherever you're in the Hilton or the Marriott. It would probably help if I knew where I was. But look at this. This is beautiful, isn't it? You have umbrellas there that you can borrow for £2 for 40 hours. That's not too bad if you want a brolly. Beautiful lighting and plants. Are the plants real? Let's see. They're not. Wow, look at this. Look at this, my friends. Now you're talking. Now you're in the big league of the... Oh, I don't know where I am. I'm going to go up and ask the fella if it's okay for me to capture some energy of this beautiful establishment. How you doing, my friend?
Hello.
I am an annoying YouTuber. And your beautiful building is beautiful. Can I capture some of the atmosphere and lighting there for my YouTube channel, for my subscribers?
I'm sure it's fine, but I will check it with the manager.
Yeah, not a problem. Yeah, not a problem. Yeah, not a problem. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, look at this. It's amazing, isn't it? I still don't know where I am, which is a bit of a downside here. When you can see that it's so well lit. Wow. What are we on a Thursday night? Everybody's running away. Everybody's scared of me. Camera down, boy. So yeah, I think we are in the Hilton, and as you can see, the lighting is phenomenal. It's amazing. Oh yeah, the Hilton right in front of me. Look, there's the Hilton there. Look, the Hilton. Wow. Oh, look at that. It's a sketchy wee alley, innit? There's a guy coming down it. Let's walk up towards him. How sketchy are you, mate? I'm sketchier than you. I'm Batman. Wow, look at this. I like to capture alleys. Look at the green lighting. That's an emergency light, by the way, for anybody that's not aware. How you doing, my friend? There we go, look. Anytime you see an alley and it looks sketchy, walk up it. Don't follow my advice. That's no good advice. It's just what I like to do. Anytime I feel fear, conquer it. And I'm not talking about jumping off things or doing anything silly. I'm just talking about, you know, general social fear. I'm talking about walking into gangs and being silly or anything like that. I'm just talking about myself. I get fed up with it. Oh, maybe somebody will think this, maybe somebody will say this. Of course they will. They'll say it when you're gone. They'll say it when you're not around. Everybody talking behind everybody's back because they're scared. Oh no, people have more than me. They've got my toys. I don't care. I'm in the corner on my own, fashioning my own toys. Guess what happens when I did that? There's Cosmopol. Yes, let's go and visit them. All yous appeared, my friends. As soon as I walk forward with fear, when I'm around people, I can feel the energy rising. I'm absorbing it. Do you know those creatures, aliens, the monsters in movies where they're shooting like nuclear missiles at them, and it's like, sir, it's not doing anything. It's not having any effect. It's just powering it up. That's what I feel like when I come into my city. When I landed back in Glasgow, and I could sense my people, the ones I've not met, the ones I've met. You know, there we go, straight up the queue. Oh, camera down, boy. There we go, up the queue, up the queue. There we go. What's showing tonight? Hello, what's showing on tonight? The Faster Master is here to promote your show, even though it'll be done by the time this is uploaded. Footloose on a Saturday night, yes. Shanghai Shuffle, hold on. Hello there, I'm an annoying vlogger and I would like to capture your atmospheres for a Christmas night out. Can I get in? Hello there, I am an annoying YouTuber and I would like to capture some of your atmospheres. Is that okay? There we go, look. So you've got Elvis here. Oh, thank you very much. Oh, Marlon. Saucy. There you go, my friend. Beautiful couches. There we go, we should have had our Christmas night out in here, which hasn't happened yet, because we can sing karaoke jam in here. We can wander through. Look at the stairs, look at this. Wow, the moth is in his element. There we go, look at this. Wow, look at the wallpaper. Now I'm walking down here. Wow, it's absolutely packed in here for the Christmas night. So look at this. Wow, I'm an annoying vlogger. I'm going to have to keep talking and walking. Oh my God, look at this. The live pie show. I'm here for the pie show. We've done that joke already, haven't we? There's another wee alley, look. There's a wee alley. Anybody want to mug me up this alley? It's awfully bright. It's awfully bright to be mugging people. I'm here for the smoke. Saturday night, the Faster Masters out capturing smoke for yourselves. Content. Is that somebody up there? I can't see. Look, is that a mannequin? It's just a bag. Oh, my eyesight's so bad. Cameras up there. Cameras on my hand. Aircon units. Anybody following me? Not unless they're invisible. I'm getting followed by the invisible man. What is this? The bottom of a jetpack. Loads of containers of liquids. I'll tell you what, it looks messy and you think, oh, what a dump Glasgow is. I love it. I love it. Portugal was beautiful, but this is my city. This is my town. Huh? This is my town, walking about here, Faster Master, and well, I was going to walk back down it, but we don't cross bridges twice. We're not getting back with our exes on this channel. No, we wish them well. We wish you well with your new boyfriend or girlfriend. They're a loser. You missed it. You missed the boat. We don't go down the same alleys. We don't cross the same bridges. The bridges are burnt. They're gone. We wish you well. But we're moving forward. Onwards, my friends. Anybody want to mug me? Anybody want to mug me? I'm charged up with love. I'll have to discharge it back onto you by doing spin kicks for Jesus. Oh, what's happening here? Are you suffering, my friend? Are you rolling something? Are you reading something? Are you rolling something? What's happening here? Can I assist you? I roll a minion. How you doing, my bro? As we walk through the valley of the shadow of doubt, I take a look at my life and I realise I ain't out. Get out your way, Faster Master, get out your own way. It's not about you, it's about the atmospheres, it's about the photons. Oh, we have sin. Oh, I can smell some kind of tobacco that's not allowed. What is this? There's a Botanic Gardens garage. What is this? Do you see that? Upwards. And where does this go? Does this go downwards? Oh, I feel like a naughty boy. There's a wee lift here. Look at this. I feel like the bad guy out of Skyfall. I'm in the little box and I'm about to take that pill and my jaw's about to melt off. Yes, Mr. Bond. Wow. Up we go. I don't know what this is. This is a gin club, a nightclub. What is this? Where am I? How far does this go up and down? Is the radiator on? It is. If this was East End of Glasgow, that radiator would be off, I can tell you. Wow, look at this. Here, see on the STV special they did on Tam Shepherd's, it included myself, the Faster Master. They included me saying, wow, which was the best bit of my footage. These stairs lead to a door. I could come up here to secretly charge my phone. I'm not going to touch the door. That's a bridge too far. I've already outstayed my welcome, I can feel it. Anyway, my friends, let's go down and see what's happening in the actual world. Wow, look at this, that looks amazing. I'm drawn in by the lighting and the beautiful relaxing music, which I'm going to disturb by speaking constant nonsense, because you know what it's like with the forbidden melodies. Then you go and say something, something. Wow, look at that, looks amazing. Oh, it's not lovely and warm in here though, I tell you that. Look at that, it looks beautiful, doesn't it? You get the beautiful lighting up there. Don't want to disturb anybody, but it looks absolutely fantastic. This is Cafe Andalouse, look at that, lighting there. Fantastic. It smells like seafood. What's this? Zizi. Is this a generic place? Is this a good place? Let's have a wee look. I'm going to go in and see. Very quiet. Oh, it's got lovely bikes. Nice atmosphere in here. It's very quiet. Not really any music. Hi, how you doing? I'm an annoying YouTuber and I just was drawn in by your beautiful bike. Can I film it?
Go for it.
Thank you so much. Is that new? Yes. Thank you very much. There we go. Look at that. the Faster Master bike. Some people are saying I should get merch. Oh, let's see if they'll let me film their oven. Can I film your oven? Can I film your oven? Look at that. My God. Look at there you go, my friends. I'm bringing the heat on a Thursday night. Fantastic. This is lovely in here. It's nice and relaxing. It's no bouncing music, which means I won't get copyright claims. It is, aye. Thank you so much. Have a lovely night. Thank you. There we go, my friends. That's lovely in there. Zzz's. Lovely staff, lovely smiles, lovely atmosphere as well. The warmth of the oven is spreading out into the hearts of the people. Don't know what it is. It's an arcade. Anyway, he never finishes a sentence, so does he? He always moves on to the next thing. It's distraction, it's charades. It's like Billy Connolly's sketch, except no funny. What is this? Wow. Where am I? It's an arcade. Oh, you have, oh my God, look. What is this? So you've got an Italian aroma coffee. You've got a Seikyo Thai massage. Oh, can I get a Thai massage for free? I'll promote your business. I'll come out offshore relaxed. There's an art store here. You've got a candle store. That's what I smell. As soon as I come up here, I could smell the candles. We got a little jewellery store here. This is lovely, isn't it? I don't know why I have access to it when it's closed though. I suppose because we're in the West End. Oh, I need to put this up. Hold on. The Faster Master is helping businesses 1p at a time. There you go. Right, my friends, now that I'm a big YouTuber, I'm going to take you out for a lavish night out. We're heading into Iceland. That's where our maws are going, isn't it? Right, onwards, my friends. Right. So you've got your NE3 for £3. I can't believe I'm doing this. You've got your Sorin. You've got your Madeira cake. Obviously, that's next to Portugal. The island of Madeira, where they just make cake. And they survive for there, don't they? So I've got a security guard to the left of me. Did he see me? Did he see me talking to my hand? Do you know what I could do? I could put the phone up to my ear, and now it looks like I'm on the phone. He's on the phone with something in his hand. So you've got your meat, your Ritz, no expense spared. You've got your blocks of cheese. Yeah, it's a great night out and a Thursday night in Iceland. What have we got here? Your freezer departments. You've got your little potato shapes, your cocktail sausages, and aye, I'm not going to lie, it's quite a nice atmosphere. It's nice and chill, no pun intended. But aye, it's all right. Do they have any CBD? They do have CBD infused sparkling raspberry guava. Let's get some of that. Was that the 30mg ones? Yes. Let's get on this and see what happens. The Faster Master's on the CBD. He's going to be moving dead slow. Right. Here you go, my friends. So let's get into some CBD on a Thursday night. Oh my God, it tastes horrible. He's ready for this. Are you ready for the content, my friends? Hold on, how do I do this? Right, boom. Go. Right, there we go. Right, go, 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 go. Oh, look at that. Oh, I nearly took my heat off there. Oh, there you go, my friends. We're on the longest street in the world. No, it's Argyll Street. It's quite a long street. Let's keep the details for the comments. You know me, I'm not here to capture the details in real time. That's for our comments, for yourself, you educated, absolutely lovely human beings. I'm here to capture the energy, capture the atmosphere. What's it like on Argyll Street on a late night Thursday? You've got a velvet moon over there, related to the Velvet Room. You've got a post office next to a coffee place. Is that what's happening? Royal Mail's combining coffee to make their posties move faster. Postman Pat's moving hyper. Right, oh, what have we got here? You've got a lovely little bar in there. What is this? You've got the El Jeff, I don't know what that's called. can I say? You can read it. Anyway, onwards my friend. The CBD that I had's kicked in. I can feel it. This is like Fear and Loathing in Glasgow. Maybe that's what I should title it. Look at this. We go down, we turn it down this way. Wow. Oh, I don't want to interrupt. People are doing the same as me. Wow, look at that. There we go. Sorry my friend. Thank you so much. Oh, look at this. This is amazing. I feel like I'm in a AHA video. That's not the toilet, is it? I'm not going into the toilet. That's not the toilet, is it, Abby? Is it? I'm not like filming the toilet. I'm trying to capture energy. The toilet's where?
Just walk in right.
And that's not the toilet, no.
That is the toilet. Straight ahead.
I don't want to go in the toilet.
Oh, you don't want
No, I'm capturing. I don't want to. I'm here to capture the energy and the atmospheres. Thank you very much, my friend.
straight to that. Capture some energy in the toilet, mate.
I know, mate. I'm a band. Thank you very much, my friends. I love your music. What's that?
Capture him. He's the energy.
This is a song called Willing. It's what I am. We all are. Along with another million Glaswegians. It could be about me, this. I suppose. I've been blown by the wind, driven by the snow. Drunk and dirty, don't you know, I'm still willing.
Can I find you online or anything like that?
In the washing line.
There's a laundrette. Oh, I'd love to film in there. I'm an annoying YouTuber and I was looking, it looks nice to film in the laundrette, but it's closed. Such is life. Thank you, you too. Oh, I'd love to capture a laundrette. I don't think any YouTuber has ever been inside a laundrette, apart from maybe Harold Balder. Harold, are you watching, mate? I don't think so. Baldwin Bankrupt, are you watching, mate? Let's get a little video together, eh? I'll show you around Glasgow, the Faster Master and Harold Balder and Baldwin Bankrupt. Let's visit Easterhouse again, the one place that you didn't want to... Oh, look at that, that looks nice. Enough of the patter. Look at this. Hold on. Wow. My God. Hi there, sorry to bother you. I'm an annoying YouTuber and your atmosphere's beautiful in here. Is it okay if I just film that little bit there? Thank you so much. Beautiful atmosphere up here, look at this. This is where you want to be with your loved ones, your lovers. You're not going to break up in here, you're going to make up. This is where you come to make up, not to break up. You put your makeup on, not to break up, you put your makeup on to make it. You look at the lighting, I'm having to speak because of the music's banging. You get some candles here, you get a menu. I'm not going to read it because that's for yourselves, that's privacy. But I absolutely look at this, the lovely lighting here as well. Beautiful atmosphere here. Thank you so much, my friends. Very, very beautiful. I will be back when I've gave up a drink for 6 months, but I'm going back on it probably on Saturday, so I'll be back in. What's that? I'm coming back for the real stuff. Thanks, my friends. All the very best. Thank you. There we go, my friends. How beautiful is that in there? God, I've removed the piano from Queen Street Station. I enjoyed that, a wee bit of interstellar, impromptu. I'm talking about impromptu. I met an amazing subscriber, a viewer today, Dickie from Kilsyth. How you doing, my friend? Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for beckoning me over to your vehicle. How you doing, my friend? It was lovely speaking to yourself. Honestly, it really is. You know, as I say in my videos, I'm no lying when I say every day is full of doubt and fear, and we all have. I'm no different. It might seem like it in camera, but this is why I do what I do. And meeting yourself is amazing. It honestly motivates me. Today I've been out for hours since seeing you, and I've filmed bits and pieces, pushing it as much as I can without, you know, being disrespectful to anybody. But there's been Croatian fans and Scotland fans for the football game, obviously. But it's been a great day. So thank you so much for speaking with me, Dickie. All the very best to yourself and your family. So my friends, we'll end the video here in Queen Street Station, where people come and people go. And next time I see you, I'll be gone. Anyway, you know what I mean. All the very best, my friends. See you soon.